These things really get stuck in here sometimes. Okay. What I'm doing today. Sometimes you get vacuum leaks. And if you can trace down all the sources and you don't find any on the engine itself, a lot of times these little check valves right here go bad right into the booster. Most of the time when you get a new booster, the check valve, you get a new check valve with it. But since I'm not putting a booster on just at the moment, I'm going to put one on it, and a new master cylinder also. Like, that is all that's left to complete the engine compartment. The rest of it looks brand new, except for the booster and master cylinder. That's the reason why I didn't restore it, because I'm going to put a new one on anyway. But anyway, these little check valves go bad. You can tell this one's kind of in rough shape even on the inside. So we're going to put a new one on today. Hopefully that cures the vacuum leak and lets it idle smooth again. And the first part, just getting this clamp off. I don't know if you can see very well or not. I used to have pliers that would do this, but I don't know where they're at. So I kind of have to make the most of it with what I have. I've been known to get mad and just rip these clamps apart and everything else. A lot of times I even just replace them with screw-on clamps, which will probably be the case this time around when I get done. Kind of windy today, so I don't know. I'm afraid I'm going to have a lot of interference on the camera. And there's the old check valve. Yeah, I can blow both ways through it, so that's definitely bad. I'm just going to take this clamp off. And here is the new one. It even comes with new grommets, everything. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the new grommet in it. I don't know why it comes with one that's way oversized like that, but oh well. There, that was the easy part. Sometimes these are kind of hard to get in. Sometimes they go in relatively easy. Not this time. Okay, be right back. Sometimes you just gotta take and just put just a thin layer of petroleum jelly around it. Not very much. Just a small amount, and it should just snap right in. All right. While I was off camera, I found the pliers that I always use for those spring clamps. Alright. I knew they were around close. There we go. That is a simple task. Okay, let's start it up. See if it holds vacuum now. Find the key. That one. All right, contact. About it when it goes off its fast idle. Of course, the oil pressure is good. It should come off its fast idle about any minute. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, that is much smoother. So evidently, it's leaking around the side somewhere. I don't know. And I'll go ahead and put it in gear. Oh yeah, much better. Sounds a lot better already. Okay, so a lot of times, like I said, you'll have these vacuum leaks. And most of the time that is the simplest fix to the problem is these check valves. And they're about $6, somewhere along in there at your local parts store. Sometimes they're on a shelf, sometimes you have to ask for them. But either way, that is the first step to, if you have a vacuum leak, it's hard to trace. Okay, well that's about it. Thanks for watching.